How to diagnose and fix drivetrain malfunction in your BMW X3. Not sure if your BMW X3 drivetrain is failing? Here are 4 common signs it's time to have your drivetrain tested. What are the symptoms of a bad drivetrain? Vibrating sensation. If your BMW X3 drivetrain is failing, the first sign you will begin to notice is a shuddering sensation. You need to take your car to a service center so that the issue can be diagnosed. Unusual noises. Another major sign that your BMW X3 needs to be checked out is the emergence of odd noises. For a true understanding of what's going on with your drivetrain, get your car inspected by a technician. Sluggish acceleration. Loss of acceleration is another sign that your BMW X3's drivetrain requires professional help. Lit up check engine light. Illuminated check engine light is often indicative that your BMW X3 drivetrain is failing. The check engine light may also come on due to several other reasons. Whatever the reasons may be, you have to find out what's going on with your car. BMW X3 drivetrain malfunction. How to fix it? The drivetrain of your BMW X3 represents a group of components working together to convey engine power to the drive wheels. Some of the key drivetrain components are the transmission, drive shaft, differential, axles, CV joints, and drive wheels. However, the drivetrain doesn't include the engine. If you're suspecting that your BMW X3's drivetrain is failing, take it to a local car service center right away. Wrapping up. The drivetrain is what conveys engine power to the drive wheels of your car. Flawed drivetrain components can put your BMW X3 in jeopardy. Therefore, signs of drivetrain malfunction in your car should not be overlooked.